Have you ever wondered about those grid lines on your Excel spreadsheets? Have you ever tried to do anything about those grid lines? They give Excel that distinctive look that makes you recognize that this is an Excel spreadsheet. Now, the grid lines settings are part of the page layout. So we have to go to the page layout setting. The first thing you have to do is click on the page layout and then look for the sheet options group. Now, this is where the grid lines options are located. So let's look at the settings, the options that are available to us. The first one is view. Now, by default, these grid lines are visible because the view is checked. Okay, if for some reason you want to make them disappear, all you have to do is click on this and uncheck it. And you see that the grid lines are gone. Looks just like Microsoft Word. Okay, now if you want to bring it back, you check again and the grid lines are back. Okay, now what else can we do with the grid lines? The other thing is about printing. Now, by default, when you print an Excel spreadsheet, the grid lines do not print because this is the default setting. The print option is unchecked by default. So if for some reason you want to have your computer print out the grid lines, then you have to check the print option. You click on it. Now let's do a print preview and see File, Print. You can see that the grid lines are here, giving you a kind of table look. Okay, so those are the two things that we can do about the Excel grid line. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye for now.